Hello, so what you first want to do is brush your eyebrows, and then you're going to get your Milani eyebrow pomade, and mine's in the shade 01, but I know this is too light for me, but I still use it because it honestly, just trust the process. You'll see why I'm using this, and it's okay to use this one because I'm going to use something else after this. So I'm just going to put this on my eyebrow, on my left eyebrow, which you guys see it's my right eye, or eyebrow I mean. Now I'm doing my right eyebrow, and I'm just filling it in, and as you can see, I'm filling it in more towards the end of the tail and somewhat the middle of the eyebrow rather than the start of my eyebrow, because I don't want to make it look like a freaking brick. Anyway, now I'm using the spooli and I'm, kind of blending it out. Now I'm going to use this powder with a different angled brush. And do you see what I mean by trust the process? Now we're going to put the powder on top of it, not only to set it, but to emphasize that eyebrow even more, or those eyebrows, sorry, even more. Make them darker, make them rich. And you're not going to go with the dark black on the beginning of the eyebrow, but towards the tail, like the end and the middle of the eyebrow, like I'm doing here. Okay. You know. Now with that lighter shade, with a different angled brush, the first one that we used, we're gonna go in the middle, or not in the middle, sorry, the beginning of the eyebrow. I'm sorry, I'm bad at voiceovers. Now we're gonna blend it with the spooli, and now we're gonna use this concealer brush with my LA Pro concealer in, I think it's Porcelain. And I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying, gonna cut this, cut this. I don't even know what the word is. I can't think right now. I'm just recording this, but I'm just gonna use the concealer to really emphasize those eyebrows and make it look sharp and clean. And I do use the concealer on top of my eyebrow, just not on top of my eyebrow, but above my eyebrow. There you go. I can't speak up, sorry, but that's just, for me, it works out better. I know a lot of people don't do that, but this is my tutorial and this is how I do my eyebrow. So, or eyebrows. I speak like I only have one eyebrow. Anyway, now I'm gonna do the other eye with the same concealer and the same concealer brush, and I'm just gonna, carve. That's the word. Carve my eyebrows. So yeah, and I'm gonna also put that on my lid because I was gonna do eyeshadow, and I did do eyeshadow, and you'll see at the end. But anyway, here I'm just carving my eyebrows. I meant eyebrows, not eyeshadow. Anyway, so let me just finish this real quick, and then we're gonna do something else, I think. I don't know. Oh no, we're still carving out the eyebrow. We're blending that concealer, and now we're gonna go back in with the other angled brush, and we're just gonna go in with the same leftover powder that we had, and then we're gonna go with the spoolie, and we're just going to, go over the eyebrows, make them nice and real cute real quick. I'm gonna brush through the eyebrows, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe. I'm sorry this was such a messy process, but here you go. Here's the finished look. Goodbye.